This is Jacob's Operation Christmas Child shoebox. So go ahead, Jake. Tell us about
Dollar
this.
Tree today, and Jake wanted to get this, and tell Mommy why he wanted to get this, and show her what this is.
This is a girl in heaven that's playing the ukulele, and don't you guys know what I got this for?
Why?
I got this for because
No, it's Jacob's.
for the bad guys, for them to believe in God.
Oh, the bad guys need to believe in God?
Yeah, to believe in God.
And how's that going to help them?
It's going to help them be good and nice to people and give them treats and not wear scary clothes and nice looking clothes.
Okay.
You know, like tank tops and mustaches and beards.
Those are nice looking clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. So the Angel of Mercy is going all the way to Zimbabwe to a little boy, ages 2 to 4 years old, in a shoebox.
No, it's 3 years old. See?
Oh, wow.
See, Mom? She has red hair.
Okay, baby, you gotta stay in front of the camera. Good. And let's see the shoebox. Shoebox. We've got 2 shoe boxes here that we're trying to decide from. Daddy's and Gramps. We're making a decision here shortly. And what are the items we're putting in this shoebox?
What's this, Daddy?
Oh. Treats, candy, army men.
Toothbrush.
Oh, an Incredible Hulk toothbrush. Great. All the necessities that a little boy ages 2 to 4 needs.
No.
And let's see what you drew, Jake. Oh, that's Jake's house right there.
I made soda.
No.
And you made soda. Okay, well, tell everybody bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.